How's it going, everybody? Short video. We got a big freeze coming this weekend, so I'm going to go over a couple techniques to keep your plants warm, to try and save them from the big deep freeze that's coming to Florida this weekend. So stay tuned. A couple different methods here. It all depends on how cold you're going to get and what type of plant you're trying to save. So we'll go over which one works the best, most effective. Let's get into this. Alright, so the easiest thing, get yourself a blanket, frost cover, whatever you have available. This is a kumquat tree, which can typically handle very cold temperatures. So this is probably sufficient for this tree, but in this video we're going to go over all the different ways to keep this thing warm. This is the easiest thing to do, is just cover it, and you want to leave the bottom open to the ground to get all that heat that's going to be generated from the ground. If your air's in the 20s, the ground is going to be the hottest part of your yard, so you want to make sure that all that heat's rising into the bag to keep this whole inside warm. If you lollipop it, this is called lollipopping, where you cinch this all tight, it loses all of that air that's coming off the ground. So this is not what you want to do. Do not lollipop it. All these bags come with these drawstrings. Don't do it, guys. Leave it open. If it's windy outside, you can hold your blankets down with logs or bricks, whatever you have. That'll keep the bag on and make sure that it stays to the ground. Another thing you can do is stuff a bunch of mulch in here. So if you have any mulch, stick it in here, surround the whole base. Then put your bricks down to hold your bag down. So now you have a nice insulated area. You have your cover on, and that will retain a lot of the heat. All right, another thing, and this is super effective, is to fill up a gallon or whatever you have. The more water, the better, but fill it up with water. You can use warm water, whatever you want. Any water will do. And like I said, the more water, the bigger the jug, the better. Take your gallon jug here and pop it in there next to the tree. Cinch it down. What that's going to do is that water is going to help regulate the temperature. So as the air temp gets colder, and let's say the amount of heat coming off the ground is not enough, that gallon of water, it's going to take a lot of energy to freeze. So more than likely it's going to keep the temperature inside this cover above 32 degrees. If you wake up in the morning and the gallon jug is frozen, well, you know it got colder than 32 in there. So it's a good thing if you wake up and the water is not frozen. All right, so one other thing you can do if you're super desperate, get yourself some good old-fashioned incandescent light bulbs. You don't want to use LEDs. Those do not give off enough heat. You want the old incandescent light bulbs. Plug them in, make sure they're giving off some heat, and stuff them under your tree. You don't have to stuff them all, but as many as you can get under there. And get yourself a log, hold it all down, good to go. So if you have a jug of water, lights, some mulch, your bag, the temperature in there is going to be a lot warmer than if you just have the bag. I know it's desperate, but desperate times call for desperate measures, everybody. Good luck. Best of luck to you guys. Hope you save some plants. A lot of people in Florida are going to be hurting. This is the coldest event in 35 years. All right, everybody. Good luck.